Are back and my muffins are ready. I don't know why I always think I'm making cupcakes, but anywho, my muffins are ready and I'm so excited. So you are going to be seeing this video because it came out really nice. I like the dome. That's the signature look of any muffin. Okay, this one, the rest of this and this missing in action, but not so bad. But all in all, they all look great. Now let us taste it. Let me try this one. I remember I put rice at the bottom of the tin. So I just sometimes like I mentioned earlier, I use it for cupcakes a lot of times. This helps absorb the butter. So let's see. You see the extra chocolate chips I put on top, so it makes it really nice. I wanted you to get a closer look of it. And let's take this out. Ooh. Ooh. I love food. Chocolatey and delicious. So this is amazing. Very, very nice. I would just put the recipe in my description. If you're interested in learning how to make this, it could help you out, and let me know if you try it. So for now, bye.